Chase Secured Credit Card's honest review watch before using. You won't believe how much faster people can rebuild their credit when they choose the right secured card. And Chase Secured Credit Cards are often part of that journey. Chase Secured Credit Cards require a refundable deposit. That becomes your credit limit. They are designed for people with limited or damaged credit. Here's what most people get wrong. They think secured cards don't matter, but on-time payments are one of the biggest factors in credit scoring. Chase reports your payment history to major credit bureaus, which helps you build positive credit activity over time. You can use the card for everyday spending and gradually increase your chances of qualifying for unsecured cards later. However, the surprising truth is that you must manage your balance carefully to avoid hurting your credit. Chase secured cards are best for people committed to rebuilding credit responsibly. The surprising truth is that consistent good habits rebuild financial trust. Chase secured cards help create that. If you're serious about improving your credit profile, Chase secured cards are worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more honest credit card reviews and money tips.